Hey there! If you're looking to speed up your app development and simplify the design process, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how the Ionic Design Kit makes it easy and fast to build a powerful filter screen for your app. Let's break it down. On the left side of your screen, we walk through coding with snippets from the official Ionic documentation. In the center, we showcase our carefully crafted layout designed using the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right, you'll see a phone emulator showing the real-time results of our code. Feel free to pause the video to catch all the details. This guide is here to help you integrate a user-friendly filter screen into your app using the Ionic Design Kit. So, what's the Ionic Design Kit? Well, it's built on the Ionic framework components and gives designers a bunch of ready-made elements to work with. Instead of starting from scratch, you can just pick and place what you need. For developers, this means no more dealing with complex coding. Everything you need is right there, sourced directly from the Ionic framework. Now, let's talk about the filter screen. This is where users can refine their searches or customize how information is displayed. It's not just about functionality. A well-designed filter screen improves user experience by giving them more control and making their interactions with your app more personal and effective. Visit our website for the code snippets and instructions. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more app development tips and guides. Catch you in the next one.